Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to check pending connections request on LinkedIn. Pending connections refers to requests that you have sent but not been accepted on LinkedIn. Whether they are invitations you have sent or received on your LinkedIn profile, you can easily view through your pending connections. To do that, first open your LinkedIn application on your mobile phone, then here you'll be taken to your home page. Now tap on the option of My Network near Home on the downside. Now here you can see the option of invitations. Tap on invitations. Now here you can see the invitations that you have received. As you can see, I have received one invitation. Now you can tap on send option and look for the invitation of connection that you have sent. As you can see here, there are 3 pending connection requests. Now you can also tap on page option and events option so that you can check the pending connection request for page and events. With that, you can also withdraw the pending connection request by tapping on withdraw option. Then if you withdraw now, you won't be able to resend the connection request to the same person for 3 weeks. If you want to, you can tap on withdraw. With that, you'll be able to withdraw from the pending connection request as well. This is how we can check pending connections request on LinkedIn. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.